Kind of a cloudy day in Melbourne, Florida, and I am at the American Muscle Car Museum for the Veterans Day Appreciation event hosted by the owner, Mark Pylock. It's a real terrific thing that he does here every year for veterans. I heard they might even have some snacks inside, so we'll go see what it's all about. What a lovely start to the event here at the Muscle Car Museum in Melbourne, Florida. It's a Veterans Day free event for the veterans to come in and check things out. They're treating us real well. Nice, there's drinks and snacks. Yeah, I think we saw this one over at the Lake Mirror Classic in Lakeland a couple of weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. Sean, over at Average Car Guy Reviews, did an interview with the manager of the Muscle Car Museum here in Melbourne. Yeah, from the entrance, the main lobby, into the main exhibition room here. Welcome to the big collection. Look at that. The Hertz, that Shelby GT Hertz. Can I still rent that today? I would take it. Oh, looky here. I finally found the Shelby GT that I can afford. Yep, that's it. Right there. Right there. Is that on eBay? Can I get that? I can't even remember ever seeing an International Harvester pickup truck on the road. And if you get a chance to come here, whether you're a veteran, do Veterans Day, or one of the other events that they have throughout the year, there'll be fundraisers. They do things here for good causes, and you might find the opportunity to come visit. You might have to pay a little bit to get in here because, again, they do charity events. But this place is worth a visit if you have the opportunity to come. In this whole section, there seems to be pace cars here, Indy pace cars. Oh, nifty. How cool is that? I think that's pretty neat. Also, I feel a little underdressed. I feel like I should have worn my Navy ball cap or my Air Force ball cap or something. A lot of my fellow veterans are dressed for the experience. Yes, my childhood had banana seat bicycles. Not as cool as these, though. That was not in the budget when I was a kid. My thinking here is that the Vipers probably aren't rare yet. I guess if he keeps all of these here, I don't know that the Vipers will ever be rare. Is it possible to have too much Mopar in your museum? I'm not sure it is. All right, despite the name of the museum, clearly it's not all American muscle here. It's mostly just a giant room. In addition to the entrance when you're walked in, it's this giant room and, of course, a big pink high-heeled shoe car. Thanks for joining me today. If you get a chance to come here to Melbourne to the American Muscle Car Museum, you really should take advantage of it. It doesn't take all day. And again, they're not open to the public. You'll see it on the website. But take a look at the website because there are scheduled events. There are fundraisers that are open to the public. You just got to pay to come. It's usually for a good cause, and they're raising money for that good cause. So check out the website, and if you're in Melbourne, make sure you come take a look at this place. You can work it into your schedule. It's a great experience.